You walking?
You want me to get your boots?
Ow!
I'll get them.
Ouch!
I'll get them.
And my socks.
Right. No problem.
Yep, that's your ouch. Ouch.
Are you walking in snow, Lily? Where's your sister? Here she is. Come on. You walking in snow? Say hi, Grandma. Are you not liking it? Lily likes it.
Seeking protection.
This year's slim. I have snow on my shoes.
Here you go. I got you. Oh, Lily, they're having a snowball war. You got it? Good job.
Let's go, Lily. Let's go.
March, 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 march. Good job, Lillian. I'm coming. Oh, nice one, Emma.
Oh no, he's getting me back.
He's gonna get you?
Yeah.